Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about what is a mirror policy. You can look in the mirror. Maybe you like what you see, maybe you don't. And the same can be said for your flood insurance. So that's what we're going to talk about today. What are mirrored flood insurance policies? So before we get started, remember, if you've got questions about flood education, flood zone changes, and flood insurance, make sure you click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Also go to our YouTube channel where we do these daily flood education videos. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we're here to help you understand flood risks, flood insurance, and mitigating your property long-term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. So, what is a mirrored flood insurance policy? When it comes to private flood insurance, they have strict guidelines they have to follow. You have that USC 402 clause, which is called "This meets private flood insurance requirements." Well, a lot of these requirements by banks, FDIC, and really the federal government when they're doing loans, is they must mirror the National Flood Insurance Program on multiple things. Some of these might be the amount of time for a non-renewal, the way a mortgage clause is listed, the way coverages are listed when it comes to the amount of coverage available. But one of the big things you also want to pay attention to is how claims are paid out. So a lot of private flood insurance companies will mirror the National Flood Insurance Program when it comes to claims being paid out. Just the other day, we had a customer mold question where a private carrier mirrors the National Flood Insurance Program. So you see, even though you may take out a private flood insurance policy, it's really important that you work with someone that understands the National Flood Insurance Program manual. And when it comes to claims being paid out, how coverages work, the verbiage, and all these different things. Because these things can play a major impact if you get what you're looking to get if a flood insurance claim occurs. Also, it's important to understand that your bank may require certain things to be met. And so you want to make sure that you're working with a private flood insurance company that mirrors a lot of the National Flood Insurance Program when it comes to these things. So that's what we wanted to talk about today. So remember, if you've got questions about flood education, flood zone changes, or flood insurance, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. You can also, as I mentioned before, check out our YouTube channel where we do these daily flood education videos. Thank you.